Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make beef broth from scratch. First, gather your beef bones. A good mix of marrow, knuckle, and oxtail bones, about 3 to 4 pounds, will give you the best flavor and gelatin. Rinse them well under cold water to remove any small bits. Then, arrange them on a baking sheet and roast them in an oven preheated to 400 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 to 45 minutes. This crucial step deepens the flavor of your broth significantly. Once your bones are beautifully roasted, carefully transfer them to a large stock pot, making sure to scrape in all those flavorful drippings from the pan. Now, it's time for the aromatics. Add about 2 carrots, 2 celery stalks, 1 large onion, and a whole head of garlic. Pour in approximately 12 cups of cold water, ensuring everything is submerged. A couple of tablespoons of apple cider vinegar helps extract minerals from the bones, enhancing your broth's nutritional value. Bring your pot to a gentle boil over medium-high heat, then immediately reduce it to a very low simmer. This slow cooking process, lasting at least 6 to 12 hours, is key for extracting maximum flavor and nutrients. During the initial hours, you'll notice foam and impurities rising. Simply skim these off with a ladle for a clearer broth. In the final 20 to 30 minutes, add fresh herbs such as 2 bay leaves and a few sprigs of thyme for an aromatic finish. After simmering, carefully remove all the bones and vegetables from the pot. Then, strain your rich beef broth through a fine mesh sieve or cheesecloth into a clean container. Allow the broth to cool completely to room temperature before transferring it to airtight containers. It will keep fresh in the refrigerator for about 3 to 4 days. For extended use, freeze your broth in convenient, smaller portions, where it can last beautifully for up to 6 months.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.